Good afternoon, good evening, good night, good morning. My name is Lucas, and this is my assignment for Module 10 Lab entitled the Time Management Code Project, basically. I first begin by initializing a class named Task, which just takes the name of the task, at what time it's going to start in a 24-hour day, by the way, a duration, basically how long it's going to last, and whether you need to do that right now or you can do it some other time, meaning the priority. Here in the class time manager, I first create a function that initializes a list of tasks. It's empty, obviously. And then I create another function which appends every task that you want to add to it. Over here, these two functions, they show whether they're going to sort every function by time, by priority, and then display it in the tasks list. This total workload shows all the times for every task that you have on hand. So if you have something that has like 3 hours, another has 2 hours, and you have 1 hour, you have a total of 6 hours of workload. This displayed schedule just shows, essentially is going to print out the schedule that you're going to have. This check overload is actually supposed to be a helpful tool to see whether you are going to be overworking yourself every day, or if you are working at a reasonable pace that doesn't seem excessive. This function just essentially uses this command right here that I have. I commented everything out here, but over here, this function essentially just shows the current task. You input a current time using this command right here, and then if that is at a time that is reasonable, then it's going to assign you a next task. For example, if you have something if your current time is at 6, for example, you have calculus homework at 19, which is 7 p.m., then you go ahead and it's going to automatically tell you that your next task should be calculus homework at 19 or at 7 p.m. 19.00, I put it at 24 hours. And then this is essentially what you would put into another Python file. I put it here. I also added comments just to make sure. And that's essentially it for this assignment. Thank you very much. And this was my project, my Module 10 lab assignment.